Welcome to my channel. Today topic 5 foods that might help you fight depression. Depression is now a major lifestyle-related diseases of modern times. 1 of 7 depression is now a major lifestyle-related diseases of modern times. Though there are several ways to counter depression such as counseling, medication, but among all the procedures to protect your mental health, eating the proper foods is most important. 2 of 7 One should ideally look at eating fresh to get the maximum benefits when it comes to counter depression. D.T. Shikha Mahadan, holistic nutritionist and founder of Diet Podium, points out some foods that might help fight depression. 3 of 7 Walnuts, when consumed in moderation, most nuts are great sources of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats as well as protein. But walnuts have the edge when it comes to curing the symptoms of depression because they are one of the finest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids as well. These omega-3 in walnuts helps to maintain overall brain health. 4 of 7 whole grains. While searching for foods that counter depression, look for the healthy, high-fiber carbohydrates present in whole grains. Complex carbohydrates help to improve mood rapidly. This includes whole grains, brown rice, barley, sweet potatoes, and amaranth are all good choices. They assist the body release serotonin. 5 of 7 Turmeric. If one is feeling depressed, this wonderful spice found in several Indian and other Asian dishes is an excellent way to boost your mood, among other benefits. Turmeric can also be considered as one of the spices of life due to its profound anti-inflammatory activity. Frequently used in spicy Indian meals, turmeric has the active compounds terminoids and curcuminoids that have been linked with a broad range of health benefits. 6 of 7 Green tea. Green tea is an excellent source of antioxidants, but its depression-countering qualities can be traced to an amino acid called theanine. Theanine is an amino acid naturally present in tea leaves that give an anti-stress relaxation benefit to those who consume tea. The availability of theanine in green tea is known to be responsible for the investigation that caffeine consumption in coffee drinkers who are not availing theanine is more fitting to result in tension as against to the relaxed awareness more common to tea consumers. 7 of 7 low-fat dairy products. Low-fat dairy products such as skim milk, yogurt, low-fat paneer, and other dairy products are high in calcium, vitamin D, and protein. Those are good for your body for various reasons, including countering depression. Low-fat dairy is the best dietary source of 2 powerhouse nutrients, calcium, and vitamin D, and also for specific peptides, proteins, that brings a sense of well-being and relaxation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.